We don't look at education, age, gender, or appearance. Not just anyone can be contractors at Atomy. Only people who think like this can become contractors. Whether the price is low, high, good, or bad, you can judge accurately. Sales are seen negatively, but sales are actually so fun and easy to do. So if you want sales to be fun, exciting, and easy, some of you came voluntarily today, but some of you are keeping your minds shut and saying that you will never do this business. Don't worry. Not just anyone can be contractors at Atomy. Of course, we don't look at education, age, or gender. Though we sell cosmetics, we don't even look at appearance. What a relief. If we looked at appearance, the successful candidates, maybe one or two might just barely make it past the cut line here. But at our company, there is one thing that we do look at. What we look at is this. We will give explanations about the products and prices today. After hearing the explanations, if you feel that you'd have to buy these for the sake of doing business, but otherwise you wouldn't buy them to use as just products for yourself, and you think they're not really better and more expensive than the products that I'm using right now. If you think this, then you should never do the Atomy business. Instead, someone who thinks, the toothbrushes and the toothpaste from Atomy are cheaper and better than the ones that I'm using right now. The cosmetics are better and a lot cheaper too. The products like shampoo, lipstick, cooking pots, and washing detergent are cheaper and better than what I've been using. So even if I didn't do this business, I should still buy and use Atomy products. Only people who think like this can become contractors. You may not be an expert at manufacturing, but at least as a consumer, you're an expert with the ability to judge accurately whether a product is cheap, expensive, good, or bad. You can all judge whether the products here are cheap or expensive, good or bad. You've used toothpaste and toothbrushes your whole lives, right? Cosmetics for most of your life too. Shampoo. If you just try using these products here, you can accurately judge whether the price is low or high, good or bad. Many people think that sales is hard. Selling things is hard. But sales is hard because you're trying to sell stuff that's really not that good, that even you wouldn't use, and it's expensive on top. Korea's sales industry began with books, right? Where do salesmen go after leaving the office with a full set of books? They visit their juniors and give them a hug. The juniors then buy a set from their seniors, and after retirement, the salesmen visit the juniors again. With really good and low-cost products, sales are actually really fun and easy. For example, if you went to eat at a restaurant and it was so delicious and clean and low cost, then you'd tell people around you to go eat there. Even if the restaurant wasn't giving you any compensation, you're still acting as their salesman. You've just watched a great movie, so you tell others to go watch it. You saw a wonderful musical, so you tell other people to go see it. That's what sales is. So if you want sales to be fun, exciting, and easy, firstly, the product has to be cheap and good, and you have to fall completely into it first.